Hello everyone, it's Francesco here. This is just a short announcement message I wanted to share with you guys, and it's about a brand new virtual conference we have in January called ProdCon. Now, you guys may have seen it on social media. We've been posting out a little bit about it, and it's going to be a virtual event which you can attend from anywhere in the globe. It's going to be on January 25th, which is a Friday, and it's going to be all about supercharging your time management at the end of January. Now, naturally, January is a pretty busy period of time. You're looking to get organized, get your habits in place, and also your New Year's resolutions and goals are really ready to go, and it's naturally an important time to try and continue that progress. A lot of people fall short at the end of January. There's sort of lack of motivation, a lack of time management and technique. So this conference is going to be dedicated to helping you get back on the bandwagon. We're going to be really bringing in some awesome speakers in the time management space, some who have been on this channel before, talking all about how to supercharge that productivity ready for the rest of the year. So I'm really excited because this is something that I've been thinking about a lot for the last couple of months, and hopefully, if it's a successful event, we'll be doing more virtual conferences like this in the future. So you can reserve a spot in the link below. You'll get a ticket, and on the day you'll get a password which will give you access to the page, and naturally you also get an event handbook in advance too. You'll also be able to see all the speakers, and we're announcing 2 speakers a week before the end of the year. So it's going to be quite exciting to find out who is going to be there. So guys, I'd really love to see you there. Naturally, this is a first event, so we're going to build it up to be much stronger and much bigger if it's something that you guys like. Anyway guys, huge thank you for stopping by today. Feel free to get the tickets below, and I will see you at ProdCon or in another video here on the YouTube channel. Anyway guys, big thank you for stopping by. I will see you guys in a future video. Cheers.